Welcome to Good Wheels, a family-owned and operated dealership serving the South Jersey area since 1988. We have what you are looking for.
Check out this pre-owned 2002 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. This two-door truck has a two-cylinder, 6.5-liter engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Call us today at 881-3557 to set up a time to look at this vehicle.